Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the Nest. What I have for you all today is my monthly budget setup for the month of September 2020. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. Alright, so what I have are of course the new budget stickers for the month of September. This is the design that I decided to go with, and the colors, I think it's kind of festive, getting into fall and my favorite time of the year. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we have September. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up the stickers, and I'm going to speed this up. Alrighty, now that we're all set up, we can go ahead and fill in the monthly view. Oh, and I didn't even let you all know, this is of course the new colors and setup for the month of September. These sticker kits, just as I talked about July and August, September is available in the Etsy shop, available in various different sizes. The current size that I have here is the Erin Condren 8.5 by 11, but I of course have them in sizes for the Erin Condren monthly, which is 7 by 9, as well as Happy Planner Big and Happy Planner Classic. So the link for my Etsy shop is below if you wanted to check these out. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So with the 4th, we have, of course, legal fees. Those are going to come in at $200. And then we have Merrick, which is a credit card. That is going to be $39, which is a minimum payment. And then we also have on the 4th, Regional 1, which is a medical bill. And that one's going to be $25. And then we also have a payday on the 4th, which I have flagged there. Nothing on the 5th. So I'm actually just going to do one page at a time. Instead of going in numerical order and keep flipping back and forth, I'm just going to do one page at a time. All right, so on the 12th, we have First Premier, which is a credit card. And that is going to be $49 minimum payment. On the 17th, I have Best Buy, which is another credit card I have, and it is $29 for that minimum payment. The 18th, we have good old MLG&W. I don't know what that is as of right now. We haven't gotten the bill yet. I think they just read meters, I believe, maybe yesterday. I can't remember, but they've been kind of tripping lately. And I've seen people talking about it like on Facebook and whatnot. Bills are kind of high right now, and I'm really anxious to see what this bill is going to be, because I have been, I don't want to say experimenting, but typically we keep it very cold in the house. Our thermostat, and don't scream, we usually keep our thermostat on like 69. So to keep it very cold in the house. But as of lately, we've been keeping it on like 74, which is taking some getting used to, but it hasn't been entirely terrible. So we've been doing that for probably about a month now, and I've been very cautious as well about cutting off lights, cutting off things that we're not used, just various different things, trying to be mindful. So I'm really interested to see what this bill is going to look like when it comes. We probably should get it in the next couple of days, because like I said, I think they just read meters maybe yesterday, day before yesterday, something like that. So we shall see about good old MLG&W. Oh, and for my non-Memphis folks, MLG&W is Memphis Light, Gas, and Water. It is our utility company. All of it is grouped in together. So on that bill, it includes electricity, gas, water, sewage, garbage. Garbage. So all of that is included in that one bill, so we don't have to pay anything separate. But I also think that's how they get us as well. But anyway, so I'm gonna leave that blank for now until I get the bill to see what that is. So also on the 18th we have legal fees again. And y'all know how I feel about these legal fees. If you do not, I will link above a video where I give a story time about how these legal fees came to be. But I will be so happy when they are away from me. Alright, and then on the 1st of October, and although this is the September budget, the way I budget paycheck to paycheck. So when I get paid on the 18th, my paycheck on the 18th is actually going to cover all of my bills from the 18th all the way to the 1st of October, because my next payday after the 18th of September will be October 2nd. So like I said, the way I budget, sometimes my monthly budget spills over into the next month just because of how I'm paid. That makes sense. Okay, so on the 1st of October, we have Nectar, which is my mattress, $86. And then I have my Amazon credit card. And that was going to be minimum payment of $27. All right, let's flip over. On the 6th, we have my Target store card, and that is going to be $29. Also on the 6th, we have my gym fees, $44.99. What was I reading? All right, on the 7th, we have Trupanion, which is the dog's insurance. That is $45.68. And then we have Comcast. I need to see, I don't remember how much that was, because it went down from last month. Did I not? What was that? 68, 85. That's what it was. Okay. Because it used to be 90 something. But then I called them and got them to take that down a bit. They put some type of discount on there. So I got that down by $30. So that is $68.85. On the 13th, we have Avant, which is another credit card that I have. That one is $26. And then the 14th, we have Progressive, which is my car insurance. And I've actually been meaning to shop around for rates, because when I renewed I think I renewed in July, maybe August, it may have been last month or July, my payment went up by like $40, and nothing has changed about my driving record. I haven't had any accidents, I haven't had any tickets, so I just don't know. So I'm actually going to start, I may try to do that before this payment. I'll make a mental note of that. I actually may shop around for some rates, so this actually may change. But we're going to write it in anyway, because I may not get around to it, or I may forget, but I am going to make it my mission to shop around for some rates. All right, 15th, we have T-Mobile, and that is going to be $189. On the 23rd, we have Amazon Music. That is $1.08. And then on the 23rd, we also have AT&T. It's gonna be $45, which actually has went up from what it was before. It used to be $35, now it's $45. We had a discount on there for like a year or something, and then the discount went away, so paying $10 more on that one. The 29th we have Hulu, and I keep wanting to write 1313. It is not 1313. I added stars, which increased it by some dollars, so it is actually $20.58. $20.58. All right, and then Netflix is it same, $17.51. All right, are we there? We are done. So let me make sure. I think we have everything here. Yes. All right, let me calculate up really quick. I just want to make it a rough estimate. This doesn't include my cash envelopes, but I know how much my cash envelopes are, so it doesn't include my cash envelopes or my sinking funds, but I know what those are, so I'll just add those in. All right, so 200 plus 39 plus 25 plus 49 plus 29 plus 44, 99 plus 45.68 plus 68.85 plus 26 plus 212 plus 189, 29. I don't know how much MLG&W is yet. Plus 225 plus $1.08 plus 45 plus 20.58 plus 17.51 plus 86 plus 27. Okay, so those are all my bills, and so we're going to add in my cash envelopes are $410, so we're going to say $410 for the first payday, $410 for the second payday, and then my sinking funds are $150. No, I think those are actually $170. Yeah, plus $170 plus $170. Okay. All right. So I want to write this down because my rough total is $2,539.69. And then as far as income, I always forget what my paychecks are. It is $21,3203. Plus $20,3271. Okay. I'm gonna say set income, because like my shop income varies, so I don't really, I include it when I budget, but I don't like include it when it comes to what I have to account for paying bills, if that makes sense. So my set income is basically for my part-time job. My full-time job. Jesus. $4,164.74. So we're gonna say rough leftover minus 2539.69. My rough leftover is going to be $1,625.05. That should be right. Oh, I need to make a note because this doesn't include MLG&W, how much ever that is going to be. Let me make a note. I'm going to say does not include MLG&W. Okay. But either way, whatever the MLG&W is, it's usually no more than, I normally budget $200 for it, but sometimes it's a little bit more, a little bit less than that. Like when I mean like a little bit more, it may be off by like $30. So it might be like $230 or it might be like $170. It just depends. But either way, I will have it to cover because like I said, my total expenses here, which include all of my debt payments, my bills, cash envelopes, and sinking funds, is a little over $2,500. So, and with my just set income from my job, we are good. So I don't really have to worry about it. All right, so that is how we are looking for the month of September. Very rough in a sense. Rough because I don't have all of my figures and my numbers. Well, really the only one I don't have is MLG&W, but it's not a big deal. So let me show you what the paycheck budget looks like, which I mean the design and the layout is the same. It's just, I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So this is what we're going to be working with when we get ready to do my paycheck budget number one later this week. So you will see this set up here. I really do like this pattern. I was looking for patterns to see what I may have wanted to use when designing my stickers for this month, and I saw a couple that were like really festive, but I finally settled on this one because I like the colors. They're not like traditional fall colors, I guess you can say, but I do like how they came out. I like how they came out. So again, these are available in my Etsy shop, linked below. Like I said, I have them for sizes Erin Condren 8.5 by 11 and the 7 by 9. The 7 by 9 is the monthly budget. Well, not the monthly budget, but the monthly deluxe planner. That's the 7 by 9. And then I also have them sized out for Happy Planner Big and Happy Planner Classic. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so that you can join the flock and not miss any more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.